back here in my garden again after Hurricane Laura hit Louisiana. My garden surprisingly made it. Not perfectly, you know, but it made it. So let's do a little walkthrough. I kind of stood most of the plants back up. Walk to the back here, see all the trees, all the damage they have. Yeah, we stay in a little apartment.
Spike right here.
Yeah. Our garden took a hit though, but it made it.
Not all of it, but
Yeah, a good bit of it. Compared to them trees, yeah. My strawberries, my pole flowers, my marigolds.
that's my mama calling me.
My strawberry plants, my tomato, rose, blueberries. My banana tree look like it's got shredded. Went through a shredder.
Grapes and blackberries.
And my grapes. I've got the other grape in the back. Can't really see it. My orange tree, my lemon tree, my blackberries. My peppers, they're ready to be harvested, dying. This one actually fell all the way over on the ground. It's like way over here. But our little mini greenhouse we made for it. So I guess that greenhouse protected our plants a great deal. So can't complain. I put most of my herbs in here that was in the front yard, so get some protection. So, and I got a big Steins sign in my backyard. I don't know if you can see it. Steins came to my house. It's like probably 3 miles away. How many miles away is Steins?
I'm not sure. A good distance though.
It's pretty far. So
It's
yes.
like
yeah. So this is my little garden. What's left of it. It took a hit, but it's still trucking a little bit. So try to revive it. Gave it some water. See if it bounced back for us while we're not here. So we still can't live here because there's no electricity. The water's running, but you have to boil it. But we don't have electricity to boil our water, so that's a little downfall for us. So catch y'all later. Bye.
tree on top of it and all that. That's a big tree.
Wow, look at that one. That house did not make it at all. This is Ryan Street. is not far to the.
Where go for it?
We go to casinos.
You don't see that ramp right there, Jamal? Look where the white truck
The
is.
boat ramp is all jacked up.
No, don't get him. See if he can break the wall.
Traffic.
I can't. I tried. No, I didn't try doing that.
Bye bye, Lake Charles.